I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
What's up, y'all? Long time no vlog. Hold on a little bit. Long time no vlog, and I have my reasons. I kind of felt a little discouraged, like when it came to vlogs. So all of the vlogs that I had from the month of August up to September, even some vlogs that I recorded in October, I just went ahead and deleted all of them. So we're just gonna start brand new and fresh today, but I want to make them more fitness focused because I don't really think y'all know me like that, where y'all can get into my life in detail. Y'all are so rude, especially you, little shit. Stop squeaking that ball and mommy's talking. Ugh. They had got haircuts and everything. Your girl's been on point when it came to like Instagram stuff, but when it comes to YouTube, I kind of like fell off for like a month and a half or whatever. You are so rude. Don't have kids. But I'm getting ready to head on over to the gym whenever they find me an Uber driver. But first, I want to stop at the vitamin shop because, you know, EHP Labs, they have their new Ghostbusters. Oh my gosh! They have their new Ghostbusters collection, and I want to try it out. So I'm going to buy me, if they have the individual can. They don't want me to talk to y'all. They don't want me to talk to y'all, especially that little one, Coda. He be cutting up. He's the best. Coda, he don't want to play. He don't want to play. Squeak it, baby. Squeak it. Yeah, squeak it. Anyways, like I've been trying to say, they have the new Ghostbusters collection, and I've been wanting to try it, especially like that Proton Plasma, I believe it's called. If they have the individual cans, I'll get one, or I'll get 2 Slimer, 2 Protons. I'm not too sure if I want to buy the actual like Oxy Shred container, but y'all make sure y'all be taking y'all Oxy Shred. I've been taking my Oxy Shred consistently, even though I've been away from y'all. Okay, yeah, I've been slimming down. Like the waist is getting smaller. Okay, the abs are trying to come in. Like, I mean, the last 2 weeks I kind of been like in a little funk, but I'm out of it now. Okay, I'm out of it now. I'm working on some things, and I'm like super duper excited. I can't wait to go to the gym because today we're gonna be hitting back and shoulders. I may even throw like a sprinkle of arms in there because that's one of my weak spots as far as like where I hold the most body fat. And let me be clear, you cannot spot reduce or anything like that, but I need to work on where I'm falling short at. Okay, so let's go ahead and wait on this Uber so then we can go to the vitamin shop and go to the gym.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
All right, you guys. Sit you here or not. Anyways, clearly I'm back from the gym. My hair looks crazy, whatever. But yeah, I have went to the vitamin shop, as you guys had seen in the clips or whatever, and I literally picked up all of the cans that they had already in the refrigerator out because I didn't want to buy a whole case. Like, I didn't have that much of a big bag anyways. But y'all, this flavor, the protein plasma, is so good. I was not expecting it to be that flavor. But I saw my friend Tasha and I gave her one of each flavor so that she can try it out too. But the proton plasma is a 10 out of 10. I love it. Definitely gave me that boost of energy, you know, enhanced my mood, boosted up my calories, like how many calories I burned. Like, I was on one today with this proton plasma oxy shred ready to drink can. And if you didn't know, they're having a Black Friday sale right now, 60% off on bundles for the whole month long. So make sure you guys go check it out. Definitely gonna try this flavor out tomorrow. What is tomorrow for me? Tomorrow I have glutes, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be hitting on something because EHP Labs, when it comes to the flavors, they really don't be missing. Okay, but I'm gonna shower really quick and then I'm gonna show you guys what I am eating because your girl is hungry. Okay, I was on one on my workout. Like, it was a really good shoulder and back day, y'all. Like, so good. But let me go shower. Yeah, I'm gonna make this real quick because tell me why when I was getting in the shower I put my camera on charge and it says dead. I don't know why it's not charging. Maybe it wasn't plugged in. Anyways, I wasn't gonna wait for it to charge to start eating because your girl is hungry. So let me show you guys really quick what I'm eating. I have a Dave Killer Bread bagel, the blueberry one, busting 11 grams of protein. And then I had scrambled 3 eggs with a slice of ultra thin provolone cheese and some arugula. And that's it. This is roughly around 35 to 40 grams of protein off rip. And it's probably around 500 calories, which is good. Oh, and then for my cream cheese, I'm using this Tillamook delicious, what is this? Seriously, strawberry cream cheese. I don't know how much I used, but I know I didn't use the serving size because that is like OD. But this bagel with that cream cheese, 10 out of 10. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. And y'all just gonna have to catch me in the next vlog or whatever I post. And as always, thank y'all for tuning in, and until next time, peace.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd